If seeing is believing, then hearing is connecting. Yet, hearing loss affects a staggering 466 million people worldwide, making it the fourth largest disability. Surprisingly, up to 86% of adults who could benefit from hearing aids don't use them. At Auditdata, we aim to help clinics provide the best care experience for all individuals with hearing impairment. That's why we introduce Auditdata Measure, a modular software and hardware solutions suite for hearing assessment and fittings. Our advanced audiology software, combined with wired and wireless devices like audiometers, tympanometers, test boxes, and otoscopes, provides all the tools you need for accurate testing and fitting. Our Measure software, previously known as Premise software, features a modern, visually appealing interface with user-friendly navigation and usability. With the Auditdata Measure solution, hearing care professionals can provide exceptional hearing care that adheres to best practice protocols. Our software guides them through customizable clinical workflows and offers pop-up audiometric reminders. This leads to improved client satisfaction, fewer returns and follow-up visits, and a higher level of clinical excellence. By choosing Auditdata Measure modular solution, you can access clinical performance data and make informed decisions that enhance clinical performance, improve treatment consistency, streamline clinical auditing, and reduce patient churn. We are dedicated to revolutionizing the field of audiology, and with our software and hardware solutions, you can be at the forefront of this transformation. Our calibration swap service eliminates system downtime, providing seamless operation and peace of mind. Backed by our global support network, we are always ready to assist you whenever and wherever you need it. Additionally, our e-learning resources make staff onboarding and training a breeze, ensuring your team is equipped with the knowledge and skills they need to excel. Together, we can change the world of hearing ear by ear. Contact us to discover the multitude of benefits Auditdata Measure solution can bring to your practice.